Hello, guys. Truck Attack here. Thanks for tuning in. Well, guys, it's been about 2 weeks since I last put up a video, but today I get to do one for you. And I want to talk to you about a slingshot. When I first saw it, I said I must have it. This slingshot to me is unique. There's no other one like this out there, and completely adjustable. You can customize it to whatever size you want. And yes, I am talking about the Axiom X from SimpleShot. This beauty right here is a must-have slingshot. You have some screws in the back, and that is to adjust it to whatever size you want. And in the front is got a beautiful design, and I can't say nothing negative about the slingshot. I love it. This slingshot, it is one of my favorite ones that SimpleShot has ever put out. So, guys, I highly recommend this slingshot. So that being said, stay tuned. I gotta do some shots and see how accurate I can get with this slingshot. All right, guys, stay tuned. That's a great shot. The Axiom X from SimpleShot. What a great slingshot. Get you one. All right, guys, let's do one more shot and see if we can hit it from a little bit further back. See if I can find it. It flew this way. God knows where it could be. So anyways, guys, if I find it, I post it on my next video. So guys, there you have it, the Axiom X from SimpleShot. So if you can see it, the Axiom X from SimpleShot. What a beautiful slingshot. I highly recommend you guys get one of this. Can't go wrong with it. Very accurate. And thank you for watching, guys. All right, guys, so what can I say about the Axiom X from SimpleShot? First of all, I had a lot of fun shooting this slingshot. And when you hold this slingshot, really gives you the confidence that you're gonna make the shot. You guys saw the shots that I did, and so can you. But this slingshot really gives you that level of confidence that you're going to make the shot. So that being said, I found the match. I did not get a headshot, but very close. Anyways, guys, thank you for tuning in, and highly recommend you one of this. Get you one. The screws in the back, by the way, this is where you adjust it, and I love it. So guys, thank you for watching, and remember, safety, it's number one. Thanks, guys. Till next video. Truck Attack out. Bye.